Hello everyone, welcome to a new video where I'll be talking about Mapify. This AI tool allows us to summarize our content. It works with YouTube videos, PDFs, documents, URLs, emails, meeting recordings, mind maps and more. It's powered by ChatGPT, Claude or other LLMs. They show an example of uploading a file like George Orwell's 1984. It creates a mind map with info on the story, symbolism, psychological manipulation, etc. Apparently over 10 million mind maps have been generated. To use this tool, there's an extension to instantly convert web content into mind map. We can start for free. Let's hit login and we'll be inside the tool. We can skip these questions they're asking. As you can see, we have an LLM interface where we can type questions, topics or web searches. We can upload a file, PDF or YouTube link. We can input long text or a web page. We can summarize PDFs, YouTube videos and more. So that's it. It's that simple. All right, how can we summarize any content with Mapify? Well, basically we'll have the options here on the left, okay? We can open this drop down if we don't see it. It lets us summarize PDFs, documents, videos, texts, websites and audio, okay? And images too. Let's summarize an audio, shall we? I'll upload a video file where I introduce this tool. Does the file exceed the 10 megabyte limit? Okay, it says to use a smaller file. Well, we're starting to see limitations, huh? Let's check the video file limit. Same thing, 10 megabytes for a video file seems pretty small, huh? Let's try YouTube instead, okay? We'll go to YouTube and put in the link to Mark Zuckerberg's interview, okay? For example, I haven't watched it, but let's see how it handles it. So we select the language, which is set to English. We want it instant or powerful, but powerful seems to require premium. And as you can see, we have advanced settings to choose the output style if we want timestamps and such, okay? Let's hit the Mapify button and see what it does as it says summarize, but I think it'll make a map, right? Why did I choose this content? Because it's hours long, you see? The interesting part is seeing how it turns long form content into a map, right? Let's see how long it takes. And look, it seems to be working already, huh? It's 9:42. Okay, it's creating the map now, see? Future of social media and AI and content moderation with different topics covered listed there. Let's pause and wait patiently for it to finish. Well, the payment plans just popped up. I'm not sure if it's because you can invite friends and earn credits, I guess. Give 10 credits, get 10 for each new referral. Well, if anyone wants to use the link for 10 credits, go ahead. I don't mind. So here's the mind map. We can't present it. We can change the format and color. I've chosen this one. It's really, really bad, isn't it? Let's pick this one with different colors. Let's see what it did with a 2-hour video, huh? This mind map for a 2-hour video seems tiny to me. Wow, I think it's too condensed. But how do we zoom in? Just like this. Well, it talks about the importance of free speech and the role of social media in democracy. Very good. The challenges of switching from Apple to Android, right? AI's impact on communication. Very good, very good. Well, it seems it's done well. Obviously, I haven't seen the podcast. Can't say 100%. Oh, look, we can even change the structure. That's better because the structure was a bit, I like this structure more. The structure was a bit awkward, wasn't it? Let's see. And what about a grid layout, huh? Not bad at all, right? And if not, look, and this one's even better. It's the best. So that's how Mapify works. I honestly expected something more extensive, It's 2 hours, I think. Well, I think it's 2 hours. Again, I haven't, let's see, 3 hours is, 3 hours. If they didn't cover one topic per hour, I don't quite get it, But hey, it seems to be a good summary. So yeah, this is the tool. All right. Let's take a look at Mapify's payment plans. It seems Mapify can't be used for free. You can test it and make a small map like I did here. But that's about it for the free version. After that, it's pay up or log out quickly. Apparently, you can use the extension to get 30 credits. That's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and check out the paid plans. It seems to work on a credit system. Hopefully there's an unlimited plan as I'm starting to like this. I'm liking this because many AI tools weren't unlimited. I want unlimited use, not pay-per-job billing. So it's €10 per month. We get 1,000 AI credits per month. Not sure how many mind maps that translates to. Considering they give 30 credits to start, it's hard to say. Instant model, summarize PDFs and docs, summarize YouTube plus mind map editing, create slick slides, export to PDF and markdown SVG. Pretty good for a free trial, right? Pro, 2,000 AI credits. Powerful model, summarize audio. Oh, and summarize images too. Now I can summarize images. Custom summary instructions. Powerful smart web search. Sorry. Text to image. Unlimited plan, €30 monthly. Steep price just for mind mapping. I mean, why do I need mind map? But you might find it useful. Teachers prepping for school year, organize all your notes, pay €30 for just 1 month, make mind maps for students, etc. Could be a good approach, right? Just pay for a single month. But it's true that paying €30 monthly for mind maps, well, unless you're getting a lot of value from it, or they're really useful for your studies, I don't think it's the best way to study either. Just saying, I mean, yes, mind maps are great, and they're surely very useful when made from notes and such, but a mind map is usually called that because you made it and you know how it's organized, right? And that's where you really learn, isn't it, by doing it and all that. So I wouldn't consider it a great study tool either, compared to other tools we've seen on the channel, you know, all in favor. Well, here I'd prioritize all the new features, collaborative product development, exclusive community, and so on. Well, what seems a bit meh to me is when you have the text here. I guess it lets you write and edit. I mean, it lets you edit it, but it doesn't let you rewrite certain parts and such, right? Which would be cool, wouldn't it? The only thing it lets me change is, and now I've just lost the map. I'm loving this. Adjust map. You can view the transcripts. Well, YouTube gives you this, right? So it's not really anything special. But look, from 3 hours, it only gave me 4 topics. I don't know. Seems like too little, huh? So anyway, here are the payment plans. I don't think it's a bad tool. It does what it says, okay? Which is already a lot, and not much else. I hope you liked it.